Mini centrifuges are compact laboratory instruments used to separate substances based on their density through the application of centrifugal force. Understanding the basic principle behind how mini centrifuges work is crucial for effective use in various scientific applications. Basic principle and operation: centrifugal force. Mini centrifuges utilize centrifugal force to separate substances. When a sample is placed inside the rotor and spun at high speeds, the force generated pushes heavier particles outward, separating them from lighter ones. Rotor design: the rotor is the rotating part of the centrifuge that holds the samples. In mini centrifuges, rotors are designed to accommodate smaller volumes, typically in microcentrifuge tubes. Speed control: most mini centrifuges feature adjustable speed settings, allowing users to control the amount of force applied to the samples. This is crucial for optimizing separation efficiency without damaging sensitive materials. Safety features: to ensure safe operation, mini centrifuges are equipped with safety features such as automatic lid locking mechanisms and balance sensors that prevent unbalanced loads from causing damage or accidents. Compact design: mini centrifuges are designed to be lightweight and occupy minimal bench space, making them ideal for labs with limited space. Conclusion: the basic principle of a mini centrifuge is to apply centrifugal force to separate substances based on their density. By understanding these principles and proper operation, scientists can effectively use mini centrifuges for various applications, including DNA purification, protein precipitation, and cell separation. To learn more about mini centrifuges and related products, feel free to visit my homepage and contact me via email. I will respond within 24 hours.